Hello there! I'm Ben Wade, and in this UnleashU tutorial, you are going to learn how to create posts and pages in WordPress. This video is part of a series where you will learn how to build a website with WordPress. Those are all organized so they're easy for you to navigate at UnleashU.com. Now, let's dive into how to create posts and pages in WordPress. So the first thing you'll need to do is log into your website, and to do that, just add /wp-login.php after your domain name. Then once you're here, go ahead and use your username and password to log in. And that will bring you here to the dashboard. So to start off, the big thing you need to learn is the difference between posts and pages. And we'll go to the home page to show you that. So when you create a blog post, it's automatically added to the blog. And if you scroll down, you can see a few that we've created already. Pages, however, do not show up in the blog, and that's the big difference between the two. Pages you use to create things like contact pages, about me pages, and functional pages, whereas blog posts are more for content like articles and things like that. So what we're going to do is create one of each so you can see the process. And it's very much the same with a couple of small differences, and we'll show you those along the way. Now to create a new post or page, there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can either go over here to the left and select Add New either under the posts or the pages, or you can go up here to the top where it says New and select a post or a page. And we'll start off with a post. And this brings you to the page editor. Now on the page editor, there's three areas you need to pay attention to. The first area is here in the middle, and this is where you enter your content. You start off by entering the page or post title here. And once you've entered the post title, WordPress automatically creates the link. And this will be the link to the post. And if you notice, it automatically copies the post title in the link structure. If you want to change that, you just click here, and you can customize the link structure. Next is the body content area down here, and this is where you enter the content for the page. Now in future tutorials, we'll get into a lot more details about how to add pictures, do a lot more formatting, but for now we'll just show you how to build some content. The other thing to know about this area is that this is the visual editor. If you want to enter code directly, you go right over here and select text. And in the text editor, you can actually enter HTML code directly. In the visual editor, it acts a lot more like a word processor. Now the next area for you to learn about is up and down the right hand side. And this is where the information about the publishing status of the page or post, the formatting, the organization, tags, featured image, and other information like that are displayed. And in some future tutorials, we're going to show you a lot more about how to use these. Now the last area is over here in the middle underneath of the content area. Right in this area, as you add more plugins, you'll have more options for how to control and manage your pages show up here. And in future tutorials, you'll see that as well. So the next step to make the post go live is just to click Publish. And if you notice right now, it says Save Draft, Preview, Status as a Draft. If you publish it, this just became a live page. If you notice, this changed from Publish to Update. And now if you click on this post link, this is your post. It's live on the website. And if you go to the home page, you'll notice that that post is now at the top of your blog. And that's how simple it is to publish a blog post. And now we'll create a new page. So go to Pages and Add New. and it's very much an identical process. The big difference between pages and posts is over here on the right hand side in the organization areas. With posts, you have categories that you can sort your blog posts into. With pages, you have page hierarchies, and in a future tutorial we'll show you how to use each one of those. And that's the big difference between pages and posts. That and where they show up on the site. That's it. That's the nuts and bolts of creating posts and pages. And that's the real power of WordPress, is that it allows you to create and manage content very, very quickly. Alright, in the rest of the tutorials in this series, you'll learn how to actually build a website with WordPress. Another series will be behind the scenes tutorials on how we created these videos. We'll cover how we built UnleashU.com, which is where we organize all of our tutorials so they're easier for you to navigate, and links to that are in the video description, so be sure to visit. Lots of great stuff coming up and you don't want to miss any of it. So be sure to click that like button on our Facebook page, be sure to click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Basically follow us wherever you find us so you never miss a thing. Also like, favorite, comment on, and share this video so other people have an easier time finding it. Alright, thanks for watching and keep an eye out for more tutorials coming up.